Today it's January in Denmark. It's minus 7.4 degrees. As you can see, we have snow on the ground, ice on the road, and I will try and start my wolf loader VL80S and see how it does in this freezing temperature. So let's go into the loader. It's in the barn, but the barn is open, so shouldn't be a problem. I'll just turn around the camera if I can do this. Probably can't. Okay, we'll just move this way. So it's really icy in here. I'm just going to plug in the keys and give it a bit of heat. Can you see anything? Can't see anything. Hope you can see that one. I'm just heating it for something like 10 seconds. And then we will try and start it. See how it goes. Just directly into life, no problems whatsoever. This one is the one with the Yanmar engine in it. Real good, strong engine. I really like this loader. But minus 7.4 degrees, 10 seconds preheat, and it just jumped into action.